It's sad. You know, there were young kids. I mean, there were young couples that were down there, and you know, over whatever happened, you know, their life was cut short.
Residents in a South Salem apartment complex shocked to find out a man was shot to death just a few doors down this morning. Salem police says it all happened just before 6:30. Officers located the suspect who had fled in a vehicle traveling north on Commercial Street and initiated a high-speed chase. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Barry Mangold. We're going to get straight to K2's Christina Giardinelli, who joins us live at the scene where that crash ended this morning. Christina, we know that the suspect is dead now after the incident.
Yeah, that's right. Salem police say that suspect died of an apparent self-inflicted gunshot wound. Now, you can still see where all of this ended here with the suspect vehicle crashed into that signpost over there at the Jack in Box drive-thru. That vehicle has been there all day. You can see this is still an active crime scene. You can also see over here on the grass where that vehicle and the suspect came onto the sidewalk and onto this grass here. You can see the tire marks. That vehicle then going over there, obviously into that bush where you can see the dent in the bush, and taking off into the drive-thru there of the Jack in Box. Now, I talked to employees that were just next door here at the Pancake House, and they say saw all of this unfold. Gunshots rang out at 6:25 this morning in a South Salem neighborhood.
It's usually very quiet, you know, peaceful area. It's pretty unexpected.
Stephen Taylor lives in the same apartment complex where the shooting took place near 4000 Liberty Road South. He works late and says he must have slept through the incident.
I didn't hear any shots or anything like that.
Joshua Hart also lives in the complex, just a few doors down from where it happened. He, his fiance, and his kids were all asleep.
Yeah, I didn't hear anything. I woke up to, you know, cops out there. We heard what happened this morning, and you know, it's just sad, you know, seeing lives take it so quick.
Police say witnesses reported hearing an argument followed by gunfire and someone fleeing the scene by car. That car was spotted by Salem police driving south on Commercial Street. A high-speed chase ensued and ended with this red sedan crashed into this signpost. Jerry Lavender says he had just showed up to work a shift at the Pancake House next door when all this happened.
And we were standing right over there and watching what was going on, and we actually heard a girl on the intercom telling the person in the car to show their hands.
Now, Lavender and his coworkers were told to shelter in place inside the kitchen at Pancake House. I also talked to another employee who pulled up a little bit later and says he heard gunshot sounds. You'll hear from him coming up at 6. For now, live in Salem, Christina Giardinelli, K2 News.
All right, Christina, thank you. We'll see you at 6.